Today we're diving into the dynamic world of sales management with Sale Samurai and EverBee. Sale Samurai is a comprehensive CRM software designed to streamline sales processes and boost productivity. On the other hand, EverBee is a powerful customer relationship management platform focused on enhancing customer interactions and driving revenue growth. Throughout this comparison, we'll explore 5 key variables, including features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options.
Let's take a look at these tools' main features. Sale Samurai features include intelligent pipeline management. Sale Samurai offers advanced pipeline management capabilities, allowing users to visualize and track sales processes from lead generation to conversion. Automated email sequences. With Sale Samurai, users can automate email outreach and follow-up sequences, saving time and ensuring consistent communication with prospects. Customizable reporting. Sale Samurai provides customizable reporting tools, enabling users to analyze sales performance metrics to make data-driven decisions. Integration with third-party apps. Sale Samurai seamlessly integrates with popular third-party apps and tools, enhancing its functionality and adaptability to existing workflows. EverBee features include unified customer database. EverBee consolidates customer data into a centralized database, providing a comprehensive view of customer interactions and history.
AI-powered insights. EverBee delivers actionable insights and predictive analytics, empowering users to anticipate customer needs and preferences. Multi-channel communication. EverBee supports multi-channel communication, including email, phone, and social media, facilitating seamless interaction with customers across various touchpoints. Task automation. EverBee automates repetitive tasks and processes, allowing users to focus on high-value activities and improving overall efficiency. Sale Samurai offers a tiered pricing structure starting at $29 per month for the basic plan, $49 per month for the professional plan, and $99 per month for the enterprise plan. EverBee provides a scalable pricing model based on the number of users and features required, with plans starting at $25 per user per month. Sale Samurai prioritizes simplicity and ease of use, catering to users seeking a straightforward CRM solution. In contrast, EverBee focuses on advanced features and AI-driven insights, appealing to users looking for more comprehensive CRM capabilities. Sale Samurai's pros include its intuitive interface and robust pipeline management features, while its cons may include limited customization options and integrations. EverBee excels in AI-driven insights and multi-channel communication, but may have a steeper learning curve for some users and higher pricing tiers. Alternatives to Sale Samurai include HubSpot CRM and Pipedrive, offering similar sales CRM functionalities. Alternatives to EverBee include Salesforce CRM and Zoho CRM, providing comprehensive CRM solutions with AI capabilities and multi-channel communication. In conclusion, the choice between Sale Samurai and EverBee depends on your specific business needs and preferences. Sale Samurai offers simplicity and efficiency, while EverBee provides advanced AI-driven insights and multi-channel communication. Sign up for your preferred CRM software using the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more easy internet tips. Thank you for watching.